Yes, after a long time I have bought an unboxing of the brand new iPhone 11. You can see it's so super. It's the green version, mint green, 28 GB. You can see right here. I don't know what's happening. Okay, 120 GB. Price quoted on the box is 73,600, but with GST and all you get it for 75,000 rupees. Okay, now let's unbox it. So first impression of the box is, you can see iPhone 11 back, and here iPhone logo, and over here Apple logo again. Okay, seems nice. Now let's open the box. Let's see we get to see anything good. We'll do in our old cinematic way. Oh my goodness, looks so precious. Look the color, guys. It looks so awesome and great. Let's open this, and you can see it looks so gorgeous on the hand. Okay, let's keep it to the side and see what else we get in the box. You get to see some pamphlets, paperworks. We'll see it back. Main thing, I want to see the charger. It's fast charger or not. Let's check it out. Okay, so what they have given, let's why the camera is not focusing. So you can see this is the charger that they give in the box. It's like it's, I think so, 5-watt charger, and again Apple, you are kidding me. Let's keep it back. And next thing, you get the same iPhone XR accessories, that same lightning connector, this earpods with no dongle. You can see with no dongle you get this earpods. That's not a big thing. Apple wants to earn more money, so they just gave this thing. Now let's boot up the iPhone. Let's keep all the stuff back. Before turning on the iPhone or doing anything, we need to put them in a good case, and I'm using this back cover, which is from a brand called Nilkin, and it's like 800 rupees. Good. So let's put them back on this thing, on this. Okay guys, so I just fitted in the case right now, and you can see the camera bump is so big, I need to say, really. And you can see the case itself feels this 6.1-inch iPhone very big. Let's take an overview. Side, you get a power button as well as Siri switch. Here silent toggle and volume rockers. Upside, you get one secondary microphone which is under this case, and here LED flash with dual 12 megapixel camera, and front also it shoots 12 megapixel camera with Face ID sensors. And this phone supports a stereo speaker with spatial audio, and supports Dolby Atmos also as well. Okay, let's turn on. Okay, it's powering on. Okay, you can see it just power on, and let's see what else we get. Already I have set up that, so I'm sorry I couldn't show you the setup process, because in my last iPad video unboxing I missed a lot of things by showing the setup process. So this time I don't want to miss it, so I'm going to show you completely what else we get in the box, in the phone. And you can see it's looking so nice. The wallpaper looks so good. Tap to wake is also there, and over here up you get all the controls, center settings. I really like the wallpaper. This is with dark mode, and on iOS 13 it looks like this. Without dark mode, you can see it will be looking like this without wallpaper. So next, you can see this is how the camera interface looks like. So good. Normally it looks like wide without ultra wide angle, and but this phone supports an ultra wide angle, so
yeah, it's good. And main thing I purchased this phone is for, you can see it can shoot on front facing camera 4K 60 fps. It's also good, as well as back camera. And that's why we can make more cinematic unboxings, mini good camera for other like tech reviews. Like, yeah, instead of buying a DSLR, this iPhone itself makes a good job. So purchasing an iPhone is not a money waste at all. Quickly, I'm gonna go and show you what's there in the home screen. You can see the apps are looking so familiar with the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. And you can see this side we get some more apps like Apple Watch, and here utilities where you get to see that voice recording measurements. And that's all. I know for what you guys are waiting for. You need to test out the camera, right? So let's test it out. So first you can see the photo. This is a normal mode, okay, without wide angle, I mean ultra wide angle. Now if you click on this 1x, you can see right here, if you click on that, it will go to ultra wide. So boom, this is how it looks like. So nice, right? It looks just like this. And next thing, they have improved something in this portrait mode. You can see
like this is stage lighting normal one. So here we have some of our model. We're going to keep him. So this is how it looks like. This is a normal one. If we change to this other one, this is a new mode, like filter mode of portrait, high key mono. It just makes your black background into white background and makes the object also to be bright, like white. And one more thing I need to really show you guys. Now the iPhones can do portrait mode with objects also. So that's a good job Apple has done right now. And even this supports like we can adjust the blur of the back. So you can see this is how the quality of the photo looks like. Looks good right now. You can see I have adjusted the blur of the background. It's too much. So quickly we'll go to edit, and you can see up I have done the maximum blur. We'll reduce the blur, okay. So here there's a depth control toggle. We'll just automatically reduce the background blur, you can see. And now we can increase the background blur also, so that it gives a awesome feel like taken in a DSLR, like that stuff. But still I like the daylight shots, everything in this phone. And especially iOS 13 gives a good offers of the like editing options, good editing options, like you can control all the white balance, saturation, everything. And you don't need to download any like photo editing apps at all to change your photo good. Next new feature we get in iPhone 11 is that it supports Wi-Fi 6. So your data, like when you use your mobile data, it will be quicker downloads you might get, our upload speeds will be good. And quickly I'll show you the camera settings of this phone. So you can see this is the camera settings of this phone. Here we get a smart HDR, which is better for taking video, I mean photos. Like here is the object, it looks just like this. If we put the smart key feature, we can make this guy more beautiful, and we can make him more HD. Yeah. So next thing you can see right here, I usually keep a 1080p 60 fps to give a smoother footage. By the way, 720p is usually recommended in iPhone because it just saves a lot of space. So you can see in pause and read all the camera settings. I'll just keep like this. But even one more thing is that if you want to record like cinematically, you get a 4K 24 fps option, which is really good. In future we get to see very awesome footages coming from this phone. And stay updated and like. And I'm last year when I bought the iPad, I just done a good camera comparison or something like camera test. I have done slow motion and video and other photo stuff, and you guys really supported. I need to get a 10 likes more in this video so that I'll just bring off the camera test for you guys. How now this is the total review. Thanks for watching, and like the unboxing video. Then yeah, good to go.